how to add mail account on your iPhone. So if you want to add your mail account on your iPhone 16 Pro Max, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you need to scroll down again and you'll have mail. You need to just tap on mail. And under mail here, you'll have mail account. You need to tap on mail account and tap on add account. And then you can select any account that you would like to add, like Google, Yahoo, AOI, Outlook, Microsoft Exchange, iCloud, or anything that you're comfortable with. So you can just simply select. I've selected Google. And now you need to enter the email address or your phone number and then go with next and enter the password, go with continue, and you'll be logged into your account. It may ask you for the verification code. You need to enter the code and you'll be logged into your account. So that's how you can add email account in your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.